Hi everyone, this is Elaine from Elaine Ouyang Yoga Therapy. Today I want to show you how you can create a comfortable cross-legged seated position on the floor, whether you do in your home practice or at the yoga studio. Too often I see students and clients with really tight low back or hips, and as they sit on the floor without any support, they round through their low back, their knees are popped way up high, and that actually creates excess tension and excess pressure on your disc and also in your hip creases. The other end of the spectrum that I see are people who try to overcompensate for that and pull themselves too far forward and upwards and actually create an excess curve in the lower spine and throughout their spine actually, which can also cause excessive tension in the spinal muscles and your hip muscles. So using your common props at the studio, or if you're at home with your home practice, I will show you how to create a comfortable position where your spine can be upright with your low back, your hips, your neck and shoulders in a relaxed position. After all, the seated position that you try to aim for is one that is stable enough for you to feel grounded in your body and in your mind, but also comfortable enough so that you can really go into a state of contemplation and meditation. So let's take a look. Sitting on the floor with relaxed spine usually amounts to the knees being higher than the hips, some roundedness in the low back, and tension across the shoulders, upper back, and neck. On the other end of the spectrum, you also see people pulling up their spine really tall, which is still less than ideal. Knees are still higher than the hips, and there's excessive tension and efforting through the spine. To remedy this, grab a stack of blankets as shown. Grab a couple of rolled blankets or a couple of blocks to support underneath the knees. Now sit on the center of your blanket or bolster, cross your legs, and rest your knees fully down onto the rolled blankets or blocks. This is the ideal seated position. Knees and hips are parallel, no tension in low back, head, neck lightly perched at the very top. Ideal for meditation and contemplation. All right, you guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure you grab your free e-guide on 4 essential yoga therapy poses on my website, elaineyoga.com. If you'd like more frequent tips and tricks to tune up your body, go ahead and like my Instagram page, which is @Elaine_yoga therapy. I'll see you next time.